I'm just going to show you how to build a website or a funnel using your custom domain and Groove funnel. So this is a quick, straight to the point tutorial that is just going to show you step by step how to create a website or a landing page using grooves. And the first thing you need to do if you want to use your custom domain is to go to Cloudflare and create an account. It's pretty straightforward. Just sign up. It's free and it's going to make sure that your website is safe and secure. So go ahead, create that account because I have already created. And once you create your account, you're going to land to a place where it's going to ask you, what do you want to do? It's going to say you currently do not have any websites. So we're going to add a site. And in here, I'm going to add my domain, which is gisellegrant.com. I'm building my own site. As you can see, this is not a test. This is something that is, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use the free plan because it's plenty for me. Don't need any of the other things out there. And it's going to tell us that we need to do certain things. And I'm going to say, whatever it asks in here, we're going to do. And I'm going to show you the common things that it actually asks. So for now, you don't need to do anything with this. If you don't want to, you can edit the stuff. But just to show you how this works, I'm going to delete everything. And I'm going to manually include those stuffs. You don't need to delete everything. You can be editing stuff, but I just want to show you how you do step by step from scratch. So you go here, I deleted, just continue. Yes, I'm going to add the DNS records later. So, okay, now that you created here, you're going to do some stuff on your register. You see, domain transfer is complete, but we're going to do some DNS work here. Now you're going to log into your register. That's where you host your domain, where you bought your domain from. And we're going to configure this, the domain here to be used in Groove pages. Now, what we're going to do is to change the name servers, right? So you can see those two here, Cloudflare's name server. We need to go to the hosting, which let me see here. Sometimes let me show. Just want to say here encryption is full because there is a page here where they actually say, I don't know exactly what it is on that it says where your domain is, but mine is on Namecheap. So I know I'm going to go to Namecheap and I'm going to go here in the domain on the custom DNS and I'm going to include in here the two names that Cloudflare gave me, right? Look at that. Cloudflare names. To use Cloudflare, change your name servers. And I'm going to change the first DNS to this one and the second to this one. Depending on where you are in the world, yours is going to be different. But all you have to do is to copy this, go into your domain register, find where do you have the name servers or the DNS configuration, and you change to those two, right? Once you do, you save and then you're good to go. Here I have already done it, so I'm good to go. But now it's asking a couple of things that we're going to do. We are going to add our DNS records. Remember that I deleted everything? If you haven't deleted, you would be editing, but I deleted to do from scratch. So I'll go here, CNAME, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put an @ symbol here, and I'm going to be sure that gisellegrant.com is going to point to Groove. So I'm going to come here and grab that. Now, you have this inside your area, your Groove account, but it's just host10.groovepages.com. You come here. Oops, I'm going to go back there in a second. And you're going to add that. Save. And the next thing you're going to do, we're going to add another CNAME record. CNAME. And we're going to use the www. We're going to point to the same location, right? So that when someone says www your site, it goes to this page that you're going to create. And it's asking one more thing here. It says a few more steps. Add an MX record. So we're going to add an MX record. Going to come here, add an MX record. We're going to be at, and the mail server, we're just going to add our domain right here. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot. We'll put priority 1 here, and we're going to save. Good. So we are done with the name server's configuration. Even though it's saying make sure all it's whatever to not expose your IP, this is actually something that is okay. You don't need to worry about. You're done here. Before we hop over to Groove and start building your email, we're going to create a MailChimp account, which is the email provider that we're going to be delivering our freebie. This is an opt-in. So you go ahead and go to MailChimp. Actually, I have already created an account, but I'm going to show you a couple of things that you need to do to configure. So click there, create an account. Straightforward, click here, sign up for free. I'm going to log in right now. Once you're logged in, you come here to automate. You're going to create an email, which is the email that your subscribers are going to receive. Now, if this is a subscribing to your newsletter or if it's a freebie, it's the same. When they join your email, you're going to send this email here. So come here and you can give whatever name you want. So it can be like welcome to my freebie, whatever, welcome freebie, whatever email you want. In here, this grow your business is the name of my list. When you are signing up, you're going to be selecting this. So whatever it is here, you're just going to select and begin. Once you begin, it's going to give you a chance to write that first email. On that email, you will add your freebie, right? Whether it's a link, whether it's a link to a video, to a PDF, you're just going to design your email. You click here on the right-hand corner, write design, and you can choose, you can edit pretty much everything. I'm just going to show you pretty quickly how to do this. Yeah, so you choose the layout, I only choose text, and then you're going to design your email. And that's it. And then you click here at the bottom, click save and continue, and you're going to be moving down the line. Now, I have already done this, so I'm going to finish later. When you've done configuring, just click start sending. I'm going to finish later. I wanted to show you just what you need to do here. Now, since you're here on MailChimp, I want you to click here on the top right corner where there is your account name, your company name. Click here and go over account. Once you click the account, you're just going to copy something here. There in extras on this menu, you're going to click and you see here where it's written API keys. You're going to click here and you're going to copy your API key. Now, if you do not have one, I already have one here. There will be a button here to say create a key. Can you see here on the left side it says create a key? If you don't have one, just click here, create a key, and then you come here, you copy, and then we go over to Groove Funnels. Once we're here, you see here, we're in Grooves. Click on the sandwich menu here on the top right hand corner. Just click here, and it says My Integration. So straight away, you're going to create a new integration, and the integration you're going to create, it's going to be, here it appears something on the right hand side. The integration is going to be a MailChimp integration. Select. Then you're going to choose, I'm going to name this email, an email integration, and I'm going to copy my API key. Good. Update it. Click update, add, and oh no, I just added. So when I click updated, it did. So we're here. You're good to go. It was so fast. You see, but it's already here. So I don't have anything to do this. This is good. So I'm accepting, and we're going to create our page now. Go to Groove Pages. Here on the left-hand corner, click Groove Pages. You're going to come here. Create your first site. So come here to the top right, click New Site, and you see here, they have this drop down menu. You can click and you can select some templates. They have several templates, whether that's a book, a video, whatever it is that you want to do. You can select any of them so that you're not starting from a blank page. I'm going to select this one. And we're going to start building this right now. Now you come here, anything that you want to edit, you just click and a menu is going to appear on the right and you start configuring. Can you see this thing here, expert mode? If it's like gray, you just click to the right because then it gives you a chance to edit everything. Or you click here on configure. On this case, I'm going to choose an image. And the image I'm going to choose is this one, just did on Canva. So there you go. And click on the button here where it says update and it's already there. Now you can click on anything and to show you how to do it. I'll click on this picture, for example. Oops, that was a bit slow here. I'm going to click on the image and I'm going to update this image. So if you don't have one, just upload an image here, whatever image you want to have on your site. I already have. I selected a picture of me and again, click on the button here at the bottom that says update. Great. Now this page is a little bit too dark. I'm going to click here in this area and I'm going to change the background from black to white. When I did that, that automatically changed, but also changed the color of the text. So I'm going to change the color of the text to black as well. And again, we're just clicking here. I'm just clicking and going to the right hand side here. And I'm selecting the color of the text. Good. Now the text color is done. I'm going to go to a document here where I have a little bit of what I want to have on the page. My copy is already here. So I'm just going to copy and paste. You can write. You don't have to have a document specifically for that. I have, so I'm using it. So I am copying and paste. Okay, this is starting to look a lot like my website already. In here, where your prospects or your audience is going to put an email, you need to delete this component because it's not linked to anything. So you're going to delete this and you're going to add your MailChimp integration. Go here, click on the left-hand side. See here where it says elements. Click here on the left-hand side, scroll to the bottom, go to the very bottom. You're going to see here MailChimp, just drag and drop here. Beautiful. Now, you did this. Click on the component, right? Because we're going to be editing. Click here on the MailChimp component. It will appear here on the right again, MailChimp component. You're going to configure. And here you're going to choose your integration, right? It's an email integration. That's the name you gave us. Here it's going to appear the name of your list. Once you input your API code there on the integration, it's going to bring here your MailChimp integration. And on the thank you page, when people click on the subscribe button or on the download button, what do you want to do? You want to send people to another page or URL. In my case, I'm going to send to another page that I will create. So we'll come back here. I'm just doing this so that I don't forget. And every time that you do a configuration here, you come here and click update. So right now, I'm also going to change the button text because I want to, it's going to be a video for me. So I'm going to see, watch the training now. I'm going to write this, watch the training now, and I will click update. Great. Now I'm going to change the color of this button. I don't like this color for now. Let's choose something that is going to match my t-shirt maybe. Great. So I came here, the same menu, and I edit. So here, do you see how this is creating some form? Now I think I'm going to put here, I'm going to grab another element. Let me see, I'm going to grab a text element, big text, and I want to create a heading. So I want to come here and copy this thing here, accelerate your growth, creating a heading for mine. Let me put it in here. Oops. Okay. and I want it to be on the right. And I want this actually to be white because I'm going to put on that bar up there. So it's going to be white. Yes, and right now I'm going to grab here. Can you see this little cross right here? I'm going to grab it and move up. I want to try to move right here. Great. So there you go. Scrolling down a little bit. That is something here that I don't need. I do not need this area, so I'm going to delete. Right? This is a simple landing page, type of funnel. I duplicated an accident. So just want them to, great. There you go. Now this page is almost ready. What I have to do here, can you see the publish button here on the right hand corner? We're going to click here because we're going to link to our domain. Remember, we did all that on Cloudflare so that we could use our own domain instead of this Groove Funnels, whatever funny thing here. It's appearing at the moment. So I'm going to put here gisellegrant.com. I'm going to use my own name as my freebie landing page, and I am going to click publish. That's all I'm going to do right now. Yes, it's saved. Fantastic. Now this is configured. What I'm missing here is the page that I'm actually going to deliver my freebie. Now everything here is ready. Now I'm going to go here. Can you see here on the top left side where it says my new site home? It's only showing one page at the moment, which is home. I need to create another one. So I will go to this menu here on the left where it says pages. And I am going to click on this plus button and I'm going to add a page. Again, you can start from blank or you can choose a template. I'm just going to choose a little template. There's a template here that says thank you. So I'm going to choose that one. And here it is. Now for here, it says page 2. You see, now I have a home, I have a page 2. On the page, you can write whatever you want in here. Now I'm going to put a video here, how to get unstuck. Oh, I'm going to be the reason why you're stuck and how to get out of it. Something like that. I'm going to add a video here for me. It could be whatever. If you want to download, if you want to offer like a checklist, for example, a PDF, all you have to do is to click here and you put the link. And you see here, that's little chain. Click here and then it's going to give you a chance to put the link to your PDF or Google Doc, whatever it is that you want to share with your audience, right? Or if it's just to sign up to your list, just say thanks for joining me on my newsletter, and then you inform them how frequently you're going to be sending emails. But that's what it is. Now for me, because I'm going to put a video here, I go here to the elements and I just select one. Just select an element. What is the video element? Let me see. Here. Let's say that I'm going to do a YouTube video. Yes, I want it right here. Perfect. Okay, now I got it. And this I'm going to add it. Maybe I'm going to add other videos. But there is your website. It's ready to go. I will delete this here because I don't really need it. I'm going to put other stuff there later. I just wanted to show you that you are ready to go here with this page. Last things that you're going to do here. For page name, it says page 2. We can do better than that. You can go here on page and you can see here on these 3 little dots, click here, edit settings, and then you give it a name. So I'm going to give you a name that is thank you. It's a thank you page. Or you can say thank you, but for me it's actually going to be video 1 of 3. I'm going to do 3 videos. Page URL, thanks 1, I'm going to choose. Page title, I'm going to put in here the title. It doesn't really matter, but you can put whatever. An important thing here is if you have Google Pixel, if you have Facebook Pixel, you can put it in here in the head. I said Google Pixel because I saw Google Analytics. Here is where you put that tracking code as well. But now once you're done, just click this check mark here, and then you're done. The same with the home, right? You can put your tracking codes there in the same location. So there you go. Our site is home. It's built. Let's just visualize to see how it is. Click preview. Let's see how it is. Here you go. The opt-in is here. And I'm going to make sure it's actually live on my domain. So I'm going to click and GiselleGrant.com. I'm going to go to my domain because it was on Grooves. And here you can see it's totally live. Let's do a training. Let's do a test here. I'm going to put an email. Let me just test the testing. Just to make sure if it goes to the other window. Yes, there you go. It came to this page, which I'm going to be editing as well. I'm going to be removing some of this background, but I just wanted to show you that you have your page ready right now in less than 30 minutes. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, just put the questions in the comments. I'll be happy to reply to you. Thanks for joining me. Bye.